Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PPHM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a bit in the past, but I like the 30-minute in this case because it helps make mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price has made a very nice upwards movement. I mean, to think that at one point it was, down in this vicinity of the chart, and now it's all the way up there, I think everybody would agree, yeah, this was a nice move. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce, fake move? I have no idea, but like I said, using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at 61 cents. Why is 61 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 61 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set right there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game, right? That's what truly strong moves do. They're going to make progress over time, and I'm just defining quote-unquote progress as 61 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as I'm concerned in this one, pretty straightforward. It's all about the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, and you can see the price is currently getting tied up with it, right there as a, late afternoon. So, public enemy number one going into tomorrow, Monday would be the purple line, again, 50-period simple moving average. So no doubt about it, very nice day today, good solid bounce. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this bounce next week? We shall see. One of the more popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.